Welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire, your go-to channel for financial wisdom and wealth building strategies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into the world of debt management. Whether you're struggling with student loans, credit card debt, or any other financial obligations, we've got you covered. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your financial future. Debt can be overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can manage it effectively and even pay it off faster than you might think. We'll explore various repayment plans, discuss their pros and cons, and help you find the best approach for your unique situation. So grab a notebook and pen, and let's get started on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to a brighter, debt-free tomorrow. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to tackle your debt head-on and make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Let's embark on this empowering journey together. Welcome to the Pamuka Wealth Empire family, where your financial success is our mission. First, let's understand the different types of debt. Each type has its own characteristics and repayment strategies. Credit card debt is one of the most common types. It usually comes with high interest rates and requires careful management to avoid spiraling out of control. Student loans are another prevalent form of debt. They often have lower interest rates and more flexible repayment options, but they can still be a significant burden. Mortgages are long-term loans used to buy property. They typically have lower interest rates compared to other types of debt, but they require a long-term commitment. Auto loans are used to finance vehicle purchases. These loans usually have fixed interest rates and terms, making them predictable but still requiring regular payments. Lastly, there's debt consolidation, which combines multiple debts into a single payment. This can simplify repayment but may come with its own set of challenges. Understanding these different types of debt is crucial for effective debt management. Each type requires a tailored approach to ensure successful repayment. Did you know that high-interest debts can cost you thousands of dollars in interest over time? Proper debt management helps you prioritize payments, reduce interest costs, and improve your credit score. When you manage your debts effectively, you can allocate your resources more efficiently. This means you can focus on paying off the most expensive debts first, which can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Additionally, by keeping up with your payments and reducing your overall debt, you can see a positive impact on your credit score. A higher credit score can open doors to better interest rates and financial opportunities. It's also important to remember that debt management isn't just about numbers. It's about peace of mind and financial stability. When you have a clear plan, you can reduce stress and focus on other important aspects of your life. Setting up a budget is a crucial step in debt management. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards debt repayment. Imagine the feeling of being debt-free. It's a goal worth striving for, and with proper debt management, it's achievable. Celebrate each milestone along the way and stay committed to your financial goals. Educating yourself about personal finance and debt management can also make a big difference. There are many resources available, from books to online courses, that can provide valuable insights and strategies. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Financial advisors can offer personalized advice and help you create a debt management plan tailored to your specific situation. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and keep your eyes on the prize. With the right approach, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy a debt-free future. Step 1. List all your debts with their interest rates and minimum payments. This is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of what you owe and to whom. Make sure to include every single debt, no matter how small it may seem. This includes credit card debts, student loans, personal loans, and any other outstanding balances. Step 2. Determine your total debt amount. Add up all the individual debts to get a comprehensive total. This number might be daunting, but knowing the full extent of your debt is the first step towards tackling it effectively. Step 3. Calculate your monthly income and expenses. This involves listing all sources of income such as your salary, freelance work, or any other earnings. Then list all your monthly expenses including rent, utilities, groceries, and other necessities. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your total monthly income to see how much you have left. This remaining amount is what you can allocate towards debt repayment. It's important to be realistic about your budget. If you find that you don't have much left after covering your essential expenses, you may need to look for ways to cut back on non-essential spending or find additional sources of income. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can start creating a repayment plan. Prioritize your debts by focusing on those with the highest interest rates first, as these will cost you the most over time. Alternatively, you might choose the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Whichever method you choose, the key is to stay consistent and committed to your plan. Remember, creating a debt repayment plan is just the beginning. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small, and stay motivated by keeping your end goal in sight. With dedication and a well-structured plan, you can take control of your debt and work towards a financially secure future. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. This approach can be highly motivating as you see debts disappearing one by one. By eliminating smaller debts quickly, you gain a sense of accomplishment and motivation to tackle larger debts. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method targets debts with the highest interest rates first. This strategy can save you money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay. While it might take longer to see the first debt paid off, the overall savings on interest can be substantial. Both methods have their advantages, and the best choice depends on your personal financial situation and what motivates you more. Some people prefer the quick wins of the debt snowball method, while others are more focused on minimizing interest costs with the debt avalanche method. It's important to choose a strategy that you can stick with, as consistency is key to successfully managing and eliminating debt. Consider your financial goals, the types of debts you have, and your own psychological preferences when deciding which method to use. Regularly reviewing your progress and adjusting your plan as needed can help you stay on track and achieve your debt repayment goals. Ultimately, the goal is to become debt-free and achieve financial freedom, so choose the method that best supports your journey to that destination.
Staying on track with your debt repayment plan is crucial. Here are some tips to help you stay focused. First, create a detailed budget plan and stick to it. This will help you manage your expenses and ensure you have enough to make your payments. Second, set reminders for your payment due dates. This can be done through your phone or a financial app to avoid missing any payments. Third, celebrate small milestones. Recognizing your progress can keep you motivated and committed to your repayment plan. Lastly, communicate with your partner or a financial advisor regularly. They can provide support and advice to help you stay on track. By following these tips, you can stay focused and successfully manage your debt repayment plan. There are many resources and tools available to help you manage your debt. Here are a few recommendations. First, consider using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. These apps help you track your spending and create a budget that works for you. Another valuable resource is meeting with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you create a debt repayment plan. Additionally, online financial education courses can offer you the knowledge and skills needed to manage your debt effectively. Lastly, use debt repayment calculators available on various financial websites to plan and track your progress. Utilizing these resources and tools can make a significant difference in your journey to becoming debt-free. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into managing and repaying your debt. Managing debt can be challenging, but with the right strategies and a clear plan, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, it's important to stay informed and proactive about your financial health. Regularly reviewing your repayment plans and adjusting them as needed can make a significant difference. Whether you're dealing with student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, having a structured approach can help you stay on track and reduce stress. Utilizing tools like budgeting apps and financial advisors can provide additional support and guidance. These resources can help you create a realistic budget, track your spending, and identify areas where you can save money. Open communication with your family about your financial goals and challenges is also crucial. Working together as a team can make the journey to financial freedom smoother and more achievable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more financial tips and advice. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content to help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos in the future.
Thank you for watching our video on mastering debt management and understanding repayment plans. We hope you found the information helpful and empowering. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to check out our other videos on financial literacy and wealth building. Watch next related video 1 where we dive into budgeting strategies that can save you money. Or watch next related video 2 which covers investment tips for beginners. And don't forget to subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire by clicking on the logo. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and tips to help you achieve financial freedom. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you on your financial journey. See you in the next video.